Juice cures for various ailments. We all get sick from time to time, and although we often rely on over-the-counter medications to make them go away, sometimes the answer can be found in the food that we're eating. Food, you see, is actually a good source of treatment for the different illnesses that we get. As a matter of fact, one of the best ways to treat common ailments is by preparing some juice cures like the ones below. Energy juice. There are days when we are just too tired to do anything, and this fatigue may be even triggered by the common cold too. Well, if you need something to give your energy a boost, this juice cure is highly recommended. In this recipe, you will need 2 pink grapefruits, peeled, 1 navel orange, peeled, 3 medium-sized blood oranges, peeled, half a cup of blackberries, and 1 pint strawberries. All that you have to do is to put all the ingredients in a juicer and that's it. Headache reliever. Another juice cure that you should add to your list of treatments is this headache reliever. You will need 2 apples, 4 kale leaves, 5 ribs of celery, 1 long English cucumber, and 2 inches of fresh ginger root. These ingredients are known for their ability to reduce inflammation in your body. High blood pressure. If you are prone to high blood pressure, this drink may help you reduce it. You will need 1 peeled, large beet, 2 inches of fresh ginger root, 1 long English cucumber, 2 apples, and 5 ribs of celery. Gather all the ingredients and toss them in a juicer and you're done. This juice can help reduce your blood pressure to more stable levels. Skin rejuvenator. If your skin is in badly need of some booster because it is starting to look dull and dry, you will find this antioxidant-rich juice to be a good option. For this juice recipe, you will need a cup of blackberries, half of the fennel bulb including the greens, 2 small green apples, a handful of watercress, 1 peeled lemon, 4 sprigs of mint, 2 stalks of kale, a cup of broccoli, and a small cucumber. You only need to run the ingredients through your juicer and drink. Each ingredient in this recipe is chosen because of the antioxidants that they contain, including anti-inflammatories and antibacterial too.